Okay, got a simple workout for you today. As usual, I'm going to start with my reverse walking around the tennis court. 10 minutes minimum, up to 15. That way I'm really loose. Today's super hot, so I'll be loose pretty quick. 2 exercises, that's it. Split squats and standing calf raises. I like working on the lower body, the feet, the ankles, the hip, the quads, the hamstrings. So important to stay functional as we get older. So the split squats are a fantastic way to lengthen and strengthen at the same time. The calf raises, fantastic for your ankles, your feet, and your calves. So here we go. I'm going to start walking. Okay, with each of these exercises, the split squats, I'm going to do 6 sets. The calf raises, 6 sets. The split squats, I start off my first set with 5 pounds, second set 10 pounds, third set 15 pounds, fourth set 20 pounds, fifth set 20 pounds, and sixth set 20 pounds. 10 reps per round. Calf raises, I'm using 30 pounds. One-legged calf raises, probably going to do 10 to 15. I don't know yet how many reps. 10 to 15, I'll see how my calves are feeling and my ankles. So here we go. So there is a classic example of a workout where I needed to make adjustments. My mind and my body were thinking bigger than I really am, you know, which is not a bad thing. I was trying to push myself. But when I got to the fourth set with the 20 pounds, I was really struggling. So I decided at that point, don't push the envelope, don't get injured, and don't go so hard that the next day you have absolutely no energy. So for the fifth set, I bumped the split squats down to 10 pounds and I did 15 reps per side. So I ended with a total of, what is that, 55 reps on each leg. So sometimes you have to do that. You have to use good judgment and common sense. I wanted to go 23 sets in a row, but that's more than I can handle right now. So I've got to work up to that. With the calf raises, I only did 5 sets. I didn't go 6. I just did 10 reps per set. And that was it. So I did 50 reps per leg. So there you have it. That whole workout took me about 40 minutes or so. So, you know, but the idea is, and that includes the walk, everything, keep going forward. Keep moving forward is the key. You know, do a little bit every day. Do what you can. All the best, guys. Give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And I wanted to mention to you, I wear the shoes I wear when I work out and run or whatever, and I even play tennis in these sometimes. They're called Zero shoes. Awesome shoes because they bend and flex, and they let your foot really bend in the way it's supposed to. Okay, they're very flexible shoes, and they're flat. There's no raised heel, which is another thing that's great. That's the way we are designed to walk. Flat on the ground, no heels. Not even the men's heel that high. It's not good for your feet and your posture. The other thing I like about these shoes is that they have a wide toe box. Let me show you. Okay, there you go. You can see that's a wide toe box. So your toes are not getting cramped and pushed together. And that's ideal. And you can see they're totally flat. And they're an awesome shoe, I'll tell you. Zero shoes, I highly recommend them. And I've got a link in the description box. All the best, guys. I got to fruit up. I've got a good lunch in mind. Take care.